You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American rapper and YouTuber, better known as simply DDG. His initials. It stands for Darryl Dwayne Granberry Jr. The J is not represented in the initials. Darryl Granberry Dwayne Granberry, DDG. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.